Welcome to the Cisco ACI Stateless Application Development course. In this first module, we will review the course expectations. The Cisco Application-Centric Infrastructure Application Development course will enable you to develop, package, publish, and deploy an ACI stateless application to your local APIC and optionally to ACI Marketplace. This course expects you to know the following: basic concepts of how REST APIs work. You have HTML and JavaScript hands-on experience. You have access to a Cisco APIC. You have a Cisco DevNet access account. The following tools will be used throughout this course. Visual Studio Code is used as an editor. We will use it to edit and modify HTML and JavaScript files of our sample ACI stateless application projects in later modules. You can use any editor of your choice. We will use Nginx as our web server to host and run the sample ACI stateless application projects. Follow this link if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, use brew to install Nginx. Sudo Nginx starts Nginx with default configuration. Don't spend too much time configuring Nginx here. We will deep dive into how to configure Nginx in a later module. This module just requires you to install Nginx on your development server. You can use any browser of your choice. We will use Chrome throughout this course. Postman is a very handy tool to test REST APIs. We will use Postman to make REST API calls to APIC in a later module. This is a good time to pause the course while you get the tools. Please ensure you have your environment ready before continuing in the course. The following slides contain developer resources and reference material that are recommended for reading to become familiar with the ACI architecture and related technologies. Feel free to pause on these slides to take any notes for reference before continuing to the next module. This concludes Module 1. The next module will be an introduction to ACI.